Sarura Kids.
Phew. Hi friends! It's good to see you again. I'm Trimel. What's your name? Thanks for coming to play with me here on Sarura Kids YouTube channel today. We love learning Shona with you, and I really enjoy seeing you here when we learn new words. New words like the Shona words for straight and bent. You see, when I walked in today, I was bent over. But now I am straight. Shona has a really fun word for saying straight. Do you want to hear it? Can you say rurama? Well done, you guys! Rurama means straight. And one of the ways that we say bent, which is the opposite of straight, is minama. Can you say minama? Wow, you are super amazing at this. Tell you what, let's go for a little walk. Let's see if we can find things that are straight and bent. Rurama, minama, 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 rurama, minama. Woo 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 woo. Pam 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 pam. Rurama, minama, 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 rurama, minama. Hona nzira iyi. Nzira iyi yakarurama here kana kuti yakaminama? Hongu, nzira iyi yakarurama. Hona muti uyu. Muti uyu wakarurama here kana kuti wakaminama? Hongo, muti uyu wakaminama. Hona rutivi rwetafura iyi. Rutivi rwetafura rwakarurama here kana kuti rwakaminama? hongu, rutivi rwetafura rwakarurama. Ona zvipikiri izvi. Zvipikiri izvi zvakarurama here kana kuti zvakaminama? Hongu, zvipikiri izvi zvakaminama. Ona mitsetse iyi. Ona mitsetse iyi. Mitsetse iyi yakarurama here kana kuti yakaminama? Hongu, mitsetse iyi yakarurama. Ona waya iyi. Waya iyi yakarurama here kana kuti yakaminama? Hongu, waya iyi yakaminama. So friends, what did we learn today? We learned that rurama means straight. We also learned that minama can mean bent. We also saw things around us that are straight and bent. Can you remember the straight things that we saw? We saw a straight road. We also saw straight table sides. The last straight thing that we saw were some straight lines. Do you remember the bent things that we saw today? We saw a bent over tree. It was nearly touching the water. We also saw some bent steel nails. And the last bent thing that we saw were bent steel wires. We love discovering straight and bent things with you today. Why don't you look around you today? What straight and bent things can you find? Thanks for watching, friends. I'll see you again next time when we will be learning about up and down. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Sarura Kids YouTube channel so you get notified of our latest videos. See you later!